Unit 5G at Windermere by the Sea in the prestigious Kingston Plantation is a rare opportunity for ownership right across the street from the beach. Just steps away from the ocean, this 2-bedroom, 2-bath, second-floor furnished villa overlooks a large lake with peeks at the Atlantic from the inviting front porch. Freshly painted with new carpeting and HVAC system, this spacious and versatile unit features an open concept floor plan with volume ceilings and a relaxing rear porch with picturesque lake views. Kingston Plantation is a 145-acre gated community featuring meticulously maintained mature landscaping, highlighted by 12 freshwater lakes. Plentiful amenities include a spa and fitness center, multiple pools, tennis and pickleball courts, a putting green, and more. This spectacular half-mile of beach is surrounded by world-class golf, shopping, restaurants, and the best the Myrtle Beach area has to offer. Don't miss this unique opportunity. Call us today.